Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to add header and footer on your Windows document. So this is a simple method we have. You have a lot of tabs here. You need to click view. By default it will be in home. You just need to click view, and here right you need to check this ruler. Here I have two pages. I'm going to add header and footer. So what you need to do is just go to view and click ruler. After you do that, right, you can see this left side tabs indent. Here come down, you can see this, right, gray color. Here you need to double click. Here you need to click bottom of your page. See, here it shows header and footer here. First page of footer, and this is a header. So I'm gonna add this header first. For that, right, before I go to home, I'm going to make it center, and I'm going to type something. It is block. This is the header. I'm going to make it big size of font. So also I'm going to add some images here. Clicking enter, go to insert and go to pictures. If you have, right, by default pictures, if you have, I'm going to add this example, the Spider-Man. So double click and you can just make it good shape. Okay, and enter. This is my block it. I'm going to reduce this to 10. Okay, now we have added this header, and click somewhere out of this document. Yes, now I reduce that. See, this is the header I have added already. So this is cool. It will be in every this is not in every page, right? So this is only for single page. I'm gonna do that different first page. It should be, if it is disabled, right, it will be in all page. Different from first page means because always the first page will be a title or something. So if you don't want this header and footer for the first page, you need to enable this different from first page on design tab. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to enable this now, and this is the second page, right, and you can see this on third page as well. So if you're adding another page also, if you're going to add on third page, see, automatically this header is coming. So shall we add now one footer for this? So same thing, click somewhere outside of this and come to bottom of this page and click this. Here I'm going to double click. I can see this footer. Here I'm going to add some page numbers. See, by default it is having some page. I'm going to delete this. Here, right, you can see on this design tab, you can see where is the footer. Once you click this, right, go to your design tab or insert tab. So here you can see this options footer. If you click this footer, right, you can see this various designs, and I'm gonna just put the large number of page number. So it can be a blank page number 1, or I can add this page number here, bottom of the page. So here I'm gonna add this large 1. So see this, automatically it is coming for page number 2 because we are in page number 2. So I'm gonna make it center. So go to home and click this alignment on paragraph. Yes, now it's cool. So gonna design and close header and footer. Now you can see this page number. This is page number 1, right? First is header, and 2 and 1, 3. Automatically it will be producing for various pages. So this is the way you can add header and footer. One more time I want to tell you, click this and click view, and you can see when you click the view button, right, on the bottom of the page you can see this tab, and double click on the bottom, you can see this footer. The same way you can follow for header. I think that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. I think I have given a clear picture how to add header and footer of this. your MS Word document. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. If you have any doubts, please comment on my comment on my comment box on my video so that I can help you if you need. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you so much. Bye.